How to fix data recovery cannot be completed. Please restore your Android. Is your Android showing fixed data recovery cannot be complete? Please restore your Android. Then let's get right into the video. First of all, launch setting application on your device. On the settings application, tap on the search bar at top of the screen and search for the update of your software or the system updates. Once you type in it, you will see all the list of the updates in which you will get the option for software update. So you need to simply locate software update and tap on it when it opens. And if you find any updates available for your system or the software, then you need to simply install the latest version of your software so that you can easily fix this kind of data recovery issues. Once you have done that, the next step you need to follow is to reset all the settings on your device. For that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen on the settings panel and tap on additional settings. Scroll to the bottom of the screen, tap on backup and reset, and here tap reset phone. Tap Reset All Settings, enter the lock screen password, and after that, tap Reset All Settings. Once you have done that, you need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not yet, then launch Settings again. Now go to Additional Settings. Scroll, tap Backup and Reset, tap Reset Phone. Tap Erase All Data, enter the lock screen password again, and erase all the data. This will clear all the data of your device and fixed data recovery can be completed. Please restore your Android device issues. Lastly, you need to restart your device. For that, hold on your power button on your Android device and the restart button appears. You need to swipe towards up and easily restart your device. By doing so, your issue will be easily fixed. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.